10 Jamaican foods you absolutely must try. If you are lucky enough to be heading to Jamaica, you are in for a huge culinary surprise. The island is bursting with flavor, ranging from lush tropical fruits and vegetables to one-of-a-kind coffee beans. Everything you eat here will have a distinct flavor that's incredibly delicious and uniquely Jamaican. Here are 10 foods you can't go to Jamaica without trying. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me, consider subscribing to the channel and remember to click the notification icon so you never miss an update. With that said, let's move right into the video. Number 10. Gazzara. This uniquely Jamaican dessert, sometimes called pinch me round, is very popular in Jamaica and bursting with flavor, despite its small size. The crunchy pinch crust contains a gooey sweet coconut center that's seasoned with nutmeg and ginger. If someone in Jamaica offers you one of these tarts, your answer should always be, yeah man. Number 9. Ackee and Saltfish. Ackee and saltfish is the national dish and one of the most unusual dishes you will come across on the island, particularly because it's served for breakfast. It consists of ackee, a locally grown fruit, and the codfish, which are sautéed together and seasoned with onions, scotch bonnet peppers, tomatoes, and allspice. The result is a tasty contrast between sweet and salty, which takes some getting used to, but definitely grows on you fast. Number 8. Rice and peas. Don't let the name of this popular Jamaican side dish fool you. Peas actually refer to beans in this dish. They aren't just any rice and beans though. They are cooked in fresh coconut milk to add flavor and mixed with peppers and spices to give them a savory kick. When you're in Jamaica, rice and peas is a mainstay, so expect to see them accompanying the majority of your meals. Number 7. Plantains. Plantains are kind of like the tropical version of sweet potatoes in Jamaica. They are typically fried dough and covered in salt and pepper. You'll see them most often on breakfast menus, served as a sweet side to savory dishes like ackee and saltfish. Number 6. Cornmeal Porridge. This creamy mixture of cornmeal, coconut milk, vanilla, cinnamon, and nutmeg is served warm for breakfast across the island. It is so popular that it is common to see it being sold along Jamaican streets during morning commuting hours. Bob Marley even mentioned this traditional breakfast in his song No Woman No Cry. Once you have had that first bowl, you'll totally understand its popularity. Number 5. Jamaican Patties. You can't go to Jamaica without trying at least one Jamaican patty. They're everywhere and are such a staple in the Jamaican diet that you'll find the two booming fast food chains, Juicy Patties and Tasty Patties, exclusively serving them up. Whether you are after a vegetarian or spicy beef filling, the island has no shortage of turmeric-tinted pastries, and boy, they're delicious. Number 4. Festival. Once you try Festival, you'll start to think twice about regular bread. These crunchy corn-flavored rolls are incredibly easy to make and are a great substitute for bread if you are looking to switch things up. Try them at home with jerk chicken and rice and peas for an authentic Jamaican meal. Number 3. Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee. Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee is among the rarest and most expensive coffee in the world. It's grown in the mountains of Jamaica, where the climate is misty and cool and space is very limited, hence the steep price. These special growing conditions produce coffee that's unlike anything you have ever tasted before. It's full-bodied, exceptionally smooth, and a lot less bitter than the coffee North Americans are accustomed to. Number 2. Halleluh. Halleluh is a simply mineral-rich side dish that's widely popular in Jamaica. It's made by steaming the leaves with onion, garlic, tomato, and thyme. Think of Halleluh as the spinach or kale of Jamaica. Number 1. Jerk chicken. Mouth-watering jerk chicken can be found in abundance across the island, with countless stands lining the streets selling it to passersby. To make jerk chicken, the meat should be dry rubbed with Jamaican jerk seasoning, which gets its distinct fiery flavor from allspice and Scotch bonnet peppers. If you are ever in Negril, be sure to check out Murphy's West End restaurant for some of the best spiciest jerk chicken you will ever have the pleasure of eating. Thank you for joining me, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please remember to subscribe to Halleluh Jamaica and click the notification icon so you never miss an update. And leave a comment down below letting me know which of these foods you have tried already.